What would you say were some of your obstacles or challenges starting up this brand?
Consistent, follow through.
What is up, guys? Daniel here with ApparelWin. I am with Randy, and this is his brand, Untitled. When did you guys start up, and where are you based out of?
We're based out of Los Angeles. We started in 2020, 2021. I feel like the last year has been more so the actual establishing year. So I always say sooner than later, but yeah, 2020
awesome.
Officially.
Sweet. 2020, brand new brand based out of Los Angeles. What would you say were some of your obstacles or challenges starting up this brand?
I would have to say, one, learning the business structure, and two, discipline. Like, you got to be consistent, follow through. If you just got a bunch of ideas and don't execute, it don't really add up to anything. Really, that's the two main ones I'm gonna say for sure.
So, did you have any inspirations for this brand?
Yeah, a lot of it is inspired by my cultural upbringing, things I grew up around, things that I like seeing. Art. Yeah, mainly things that I grew up around. I grew up around horses, family with horses, farmland. I grew up in Mexico, in the Midwest as well. So a lot of that inspires my art and just like the washes, the textures.
Yeah, it's super nice quality. Let's check out some pieces.
All right, let's see. So we got this piece we dropped last year at the CompassCon. So we only made it available at CompassCon. 11.5 ounce cotton. So this is 11.5 ounce. I just said that cotton, stonewash, cut and sew.
And we got screen print.
Front and back, Rough Riders.
Like the cropped fit. Look at the detail, guys.
Thank you. When I first started the brand, my studio was on Mariposa in K-Town. So we try to carry that over in some of the pieces.
Sure.
We got same tee. This is the same silhouette. This is one of my illustrations.
This is what you got on right now.
And this is what I got right here. Over-dyed royal blue. So I work in a Zorn palette for all my paintings. Okay. So usually it paints gray. If you add a little white in it, it turns blue. So the Zorn palette is red, black, yellow, and white. So that's the Zorn palette. You add paints gray, you get a little bit of blue.
I love this stitch work and the wash and the vintage feel is insane.
Thank you.
Last question, any words of advice for anyone wanting to start a brand or chasing their dreams? A lot of people get lost in the sauce. So what advice would you have?
Man, for sure don't get lost in the sauce. You got to lock in, study, read a lot, learn from other creatives, entrepreneurs, and artists. You got to really know the back end. That's most important. If you don't know that, then you're really going to feel lost all the time. So
sure.
That's the number one thing I would recommend is really learning a lot of the fundamentals.
So, really appreciate you, brother. Where can we find you on social media?
Untitled and at Randy Perez. So Untitled is with 3 U's, UUUNTLD, and Randy Perez with RVNDY.
Amazing. Thank you so much, brother.
Appreciate you, bro. Thank you.
Daniel, logging out.